How to make a vanilla orchid plant bloom. Vanilla orchids are made to bloom, so if yours isn't blooming, something may be wrong. These tropical plants have extremely specific water, fertilizer, sunlight, temperature, and humidity preferences, they won't bloom without them. Make the changes to the location of the plant, the feeding schedule, or the environment to closely match what the plant needs, and beautiful green, blue, or white plants will be your reward. 1. Try to determine the age of your orchid. Unfortunately, vanilla orchids cannot bloom until they are 3 years old. If yours is younger than 3, it will not bloom and cannot be rushed. 2. Look at the color of the orchid's leaves. If they are dark green, that means they are getting too much sun exposure. Move the plant to a less sunny area. If the leaves are yellow or even a brown color, this means that there is not enough sun exposure. Try moving it to a sunnier spot, such as a window ledge. If the leaves are a light green, that means there is a perfect amount of sunlight reaching it. The incorrect amount of sunlight can inhibit the blooming. 3. Measure the humidity of the air surrounding the plant using a humidity meter. Vanilla orchids require 50% humidity in order to bloom. If the air seems too dry, try placing the plant on a tray and fill the tray with water so that the air fills with humidity as the water evaporates. Top off the tray as often as needed to ensure the tray has standing water in it at all times. 4. Determine the temperature around your plant during day and nighttime hours with a thermometer. Orchids require a temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit 21 degrees Celsius during the day, but allow a 10-degree drop in the evening in order to bloom properly. Set your indoor temperature controls to make sure the temperature is set just right for proper blooming of your orchid plant. 5. Make sure that the orchid gets sunlight during the day and darkness at night. This plays a huge role in the proper blooming of vanilla orchids. 6. Be sure to fertilize your orchid with 20-20-20 fertilizer once every month. Cut back on fertilization every 6 months, and the orchid grows more slowly. Under-fertilization will result in no blooming at all, or just a few small blooms.